Here at Driver Motorsports, we like to make sure things are clean and up to spec. Some interior pieces might be broken, so what we'll do is take them out, fix up anything that's broken, and pop it back in.
So when we're cleaning up the engine bays, we take detail brushes just to get down in the nice grooves where either the welds or cracks and just stuff's built up, grease, oil, anything. We just take the detail brushes, we get down in there, clean it up real nice, and then clean it with a microfiber until we're happy with how it
is. Oftentimes we get old aluminum pieces in cars that are a little bit pitted and gross, so I'm going back through and polishing this Super 4 winter for it.